All right, today we're gonna open a pool, but this Hydro 4 SE is actually gonna help me. This is a new robot from Poolmate, and this has an app, so we're gonna set it up in the app, connect it to the Wi-Fi, and do all that kind of stuff here. Just to quickly go over some of the features, it's got a very large basket here, got a very long cable here. You need a place to plug this in. This is kind of like the docking station, so you plug this into here and plug this into the wall, all right? The first thing we're gonna do is get this connected into the phone, so we can throw this in our pool once we clean it, because I think that thing's dirty. This is gonna help me clean it up. So to connect this to the app, the first thing we're gonna do is basically plug this thing in. So we have this nice waterproof connection here. This locks in real nice. And then I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna plug it into a wall. All right, now what I'm gonna do is open the Poolmate app. I'm gonna select the Hydro 4 SE, because that's what this one is. We're gonna hit allow, and we're gonna click on connect. And now it's searching for the robot. I forgot to turn it on. So there is a button back here to turn the robot on, and it popped right up. Pretty nice. I can hit the connect. The reason why I'm doing this before I even open the pool is because I'm pretty sure this is probably gonna need some kind of firmware update. I just wanna kind of get it, yep, right there. So we're gonna do the firmware upgrade while I am opening the pool. That was very quick. All right, so this is gonna take 2.5 minutes, and we'll be back. All right, so it did its firmware update, connected in with the app. App works really well. We throw it in that cruddy water. Let's kind of just take a little closer look at this. So you have these brushes here. It has these skid plates. This allows you to go up on the walls. This will clean your walls and your floor. So we'll go over the modes in a minute. You have these bumpers here. Take a look inside. Not much really going on in here, which is really nice actually. A lot less to go wrong, especially with these kind of robots. These are in a pretty harsh environment. Chlorine and all the chemicals and stuff really wreaks havoc on me. This will work in a salt pool and a chlorine pool. You know, I will point out that it's extremely lightweight. And the nice thing about this thing could pretty much run indefinitely because it is plugged into the wall. So you can have this thing running 24/7 if you want. That's really a benefit over a battery powered unit. For a few days now, haven't had any issues with the app. It works real well, connects almost seamlessly. So I really like that. Let's look at some of the features here. So we have on the top here, we can click on cleaning mode. Okay, so we have 5 preset cleaning modes. We have regular mode, which are the top 3, and then we have floor mode or wall mode. Obviously the floor mode does the floor, the wall mode just does the wall and the waterline, and the regular mode does, you know, all 3. So this will clean the floor, the walls, and the waterline. Okay, the waterline is the part of the pool that's above the waterline. And then you have the 2 hour, 1 hour, 3 hour, 2 hour, and 2 hour, okay? Now on top of these preset modes, you also have custom mode, which I kind of prefer. And here you can use, you can say if your pool square, round, or other. I usually use the other just because I'm not really sure. Is my pool square, round? I don't know. So I just picked other because I think that makes the most sense. Then I have the option, do I want to do floor, wall, or waterline? When I was really trying to clean this, I started with just the floor because I wanted to basically spend all the time on the floor, but you can easily select where you want it to clean. And then last thing you have here is the cleaning time. So 1 hour to 4 hours. So I really like the flexibility of that. You also have a scheduling feature here or a delayed cleaning. So if you wanted to create a schedule, like you want it to clean every day at a certain time, or if you want to have it delayed, you can do that. And then obviously you have some other things here. You can have tutorial videos, firmware updates, etc., etc. So app A+, honestly, I've used a lot of apps. This one works very well. Look at that, you can already see where it's cleaning. See like a nice clean path there. Yeah, look at that, you can see it's like a vacuum. That's beautiful. Look at that. It's probably been about an hour, so I kind of wanted to see how this thing is doing. Kind of some sticks and some bigger things that probably won't be in a normal pool, sort of stuck in there. But no big deal. Let's see what this thing picked up. Oh, easy enough to open up. Oh yeah, that is disgusting. To open this up, you just basically, yeah. And that is like sticks, worms. Let's see if I can dump this out. Yeah, it's a lot of these arborvitae things stuck in there. A lot of pollen. You can see all the pollen stuck in there. So it definitely has a fine filter, which I'm very happy to see that it gets that pollen. The wash, this should be pretty simple. Wash out the inside here. Yeah, it's cleaning very well. So we're clean. We're gonna put this back in the pool. Close that up. Lock back in. I'm gonna have it do the floor, wall, and waterline. I'm gonna turn off the ultra clean this time, and we're gonna throw it in. Now, every once in a while, it starts doing tricks. I'm not sure what this one's called. But, oh, you know what? I think it's a stick. I wonder if that stick was causing an issue. Yeah, it was actually that stick. Wow, that's cool. All right, so it's the next morning. Let's go see how this thing did. It's definitely clearer. We're gonna put this thing back in and give it some more time today to clean it. Now, this is the really nice thing about having a vacuum that plugs in. If this was a battery-powered vacuum, I would have to recharge it, wait a few hours, but I can just pull this thing out, put it right back in. So let's do this again. Let's pull it out. Now, this feels very heavy. So look at that. Thing's packed. And we're gonna put it in. Next day, midday, I've had this thing run about 3 times now. You can see how clean the pool is. Nothing else has touched this pool. This has all been the Poolmate. If we do look closely, there is some, you know, to be fair, there is some stuff here. It looks like it had a little difficulty in this little weird corner here. Okay, like in that corner right there, you could see it wasn't able to get in there, and that's just, you know, by nature. And I'm not sure any robot can really get into a corner like that, but the majority, I mean 99% of the debris that was in this pool is gone. I'm very impressed. The walls are scrubbed, the floor is scrubbed. This is like night and day. I'll splash a picture of what this looked like last night. Oh, there's a weird spot right there in the middle. It looks like maybe it missed, or it's that maybe that needs to be scrubbed. So this thing is definitely cleaned up a lot. And I like using the customized setting of 4 hours and just doing the wall, floor, and the waterline. So really good job. You can see how much it's moving. It's definitely moving some water. I'm gonna let the results speak for themselves. This pool looked like a swamp yesterday, and that little guy right there cleaned this thing up. Yeah, I do have some stuff on the top of the pool. Obviously, it has nothing to do with the robot. I'm very happy with the results. You know, I can't say enough that I did not vacuum this pool when I opened it. This thing cleaned everything. I think I went about 3 or 4 times, 3 or 4 sessions to get it to cleans, meaning I took it out, cleaned out the bin, put it back in. I liked that it cleans the floor, the walls, and the waterline. Now, one thing you might say is, well, it has a cable, you have to plug it in, and that's a valid point. One good thing about that is that you can run this thing indefinitely. Like in a case where you have a storm, or you're opening the pool, or maybe when you're closing the pool and you want to run a robot like indefinitely to make sure the water is as clean as it possibly can, this is a perfect use case for something like this. You know, if you have a battery, it's going to run out after an hour or 2, and then you have to run and charge it. So really, you can only use a battery pool vacuum like once or twice a day. This thing you could use like all day long, all the time. It's always going to have power, and it has tons of suction power because it's plugged into the wall. The app, even though it seems to be a newer app, seems to be pretty intuitive and works very well. It connected directly to the robot. Usually that's the issue, right? You get a new app, you get a new robot, and the thing doesn't connect. You have to restart everything. No, this thing connected right up. So I'm very impressed with that. All right, so that's where I'm gonna leave this video. Really, I think the results speak for themselves. I'm not sure what else I could say. If I do find a link to this, I will put a link down below in the description if you want to pick one of these up yourself. Poolmate not only make this guy, this Hydro 4 SE, they also make a bunch of battery powered. If you have any questions about it, leave me a comment down below. I'm Mike, and I'm out.